In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you how to turn a single blog post, or any URL, into a finished, faceless YouTube video using Agent Opus. And you don't need a script, a camera, or 1 minute of editing. We'll do the whole thing with Agent Opus, the new AI video agent from Opus Clip. And by the end, you'll have a publish-ready video built from one link you paste in. Stick around, because the batching trick near the end is the one that changes how you make content forever. Here's the problem almost every faceless creator runs into. You already have great ideas. A blog you wrote, an article you found, a product page, a newsletter you sent. But turning any of that into a video is a wall of work. You have to write a script, hunt for B-roll, record a voiceover, line it all up on a timeline, add captions, then export it in the right size for every platform. That's hours per video, and it's the exact reason most people quit a faceless channel inside the first month. They run out of time, not ideas. So here's the question this whole video answers. What if the idea itself, the link, was the only input you needed? And an AI agent did the research, the script, the visuals, the voice, and the edit for you. That's what we're building right now. Let's talk about why Agent Opus is different from every AI video tool you've already tried. Most tools hand you one piece, a voice or some stock clips or captions, and leave you to assemble the rest by hand. Agent Opus is an agent, which means it runs the entire pipeline end to end. You drop in a prompt, a link, or your own media, and the agents handle the research, the script writing, the visual curation, and the editing. Opus calls it turning any idea into a video growth engine, and that's honestly the most accurate way to describe it. Now, don't confuse this with classic Opus Clip. Opus Clip takes a long video you already filmed and chops it into viral shorts. Agent Opus goes the opposite direction. It generates a brand new, full video from an idea you haven't filmed yet. For our blog-to-video workflow, we'll use the script-to-video mode and feed it a URL. The agent reads everything behind that link, pulls the key points, and builds the whole video around them. Motion graphics, voiceover, royalty-free visuals, and captions all included. Let me show you exactly how, step by step. Head to agent.opus.pro and sign in. You'll land on the home screen with a big prompt box right in the center. Step 1. Across the top, you'll see the Mode tabs: Script to Video, Song to Video, Audio to Video, Assets to Ads, and Motion Graphics. Click Script to Video. Step 2. In the prompt box, instead of typing an idea, paste your blog post URL directly. Use your own article, a Medium post, even a news story. Agent Opus reads the page behind that link and extracts the core argument for you. Step 3. Set your style. On the left, the Style field is required. Pick a visual look that matches your niche, whether that's a clean explainer, bold and punchy, or cinematic. Don't overthink this one. The style mainly sets the motion graphics feel and how fast the cuts move, and you can always rerun the same URL with a different style if the first pass doesn't fit your channel. Step 4. Choose your voice. The default is Rachel, but open the voice menu and pick the narrator that fits your channel's personality. This is the voice that carries your whole brand, so choose it on purpose. Step 5. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube using the format toggle. Switch captions on, and leave the video model on the default. One thing worth doing before you generate: scroll back up and double-check the link actually pulled in the right article. If the page had a paywall or a cookie pop-up, the agent might only see part of it. So in that case, copy the clean article text and paste that instead. Give it something solid to read from. By the way, the link to try Agent Opus free is in the description if you want to follow along with your own blog post while we go. Now hit Generate, and here's where the agent goes to work. Step 6. Before it renders anything, Agent Opus shows you the script it wrote from your article. This is the most important moment in the whole process. Read that script. You can edit any line right there, tighten the hook, or swap out a weak sentence. 2 minutes of editing here is the difference between a generic video and one that actually sounds like you. A quick thing I always do. Check the opening line the agent wrote against your video title. If they're not making the same promise, rewrite that first sentence so the hook and the title line up exactly. That consistency is what holds people through the first 30 seconds instead of bouncing. Step 7. Once you approve the script, the agent assembles the motion graphics, the voiceover, and the visuals, then hands you a full preview. Scrub through it, check that your key points landed, and regenerate any single scene you don't love, without redoing the entire video. Step 8. When you're happy, export. Agent Opus gives you a finished 16:9 file, ready to upload straight to YouTube. Here's my pro tip, and this is the part that changes everything. Don't make one video. Make a batch. Take 5 blog posts, run all 5 through script to video back to back, and you've got a full week of faceless content in under an hour. Because you are never starting from a blank page. The link is always the script. So if this saved you hours, here's what to do next. Agent Opus has a free trial, no credit card needed, and the link is in the description below. Go turn one of your old blog posts into a video tonight and see how fast it really is. Then drop a comment and tell me, what's the first URL you're going to turn into a video? I read every single one. Subscribe for more faceless AI workflows, and I'll see you in the next one.